Welcome, Zoomanauts, to Project Being Futures.
I'm Zoomanaut Karen.
And I'm Zoomanaut Dana.
And we're excited to be on this mission into the future with you. So on Tuesday, June 8th, our first workshop, we'll start with a feelings activity.
To prepare for the workshop, we want you to think about one thing you like to do.
And to help you prepare, you could think about what your favorite thing is. Or you could think about something that makes you feel good. Or another thing is maybe one thing you've enjoyed doing. During the workshop, we're going to also explore some of the feelings you might have when you do the things you like. So some things that you might feel doing these things is trusting and safe, or maybe curious or inspired, maybe calm, or maybe excited. Maybe you feel proud, or some combination of these or some other things.
If possible, you can bring something to the workshop on Tuesday that reminds you of the thing you like to do. It could be an object you have at home, a word written on a piece of paper, a drawing, or really anything that you choose. This will be something you share with the group that can help to remind you of the thing you like to do.
During workshop 1, we will explore our experiences and feelings together in more detail. So
see you on the Zoom spaceship
on
June 8th.
8th.
Until then, bye.
Bye.